The Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
I need gas.
How bad do you need gas?
Light it on.
Okay, we'll stop at the racetrack. Make sure we got everybody. All right.
No monkey.
Man, shout out to everybody that came out for the prayer, came out for the blessing. Oh man, this is freaking awesome, man. Stop. We had to make a quick pit stop. Anybody need some petrol? Yes, sir. Super dope. Look at the lineup. Jixer. Y'all remember Piper? That's old. I gotta see if I can find that video. That's old school Dude Mungus right there. That's from the beginning.
Hey, what up, dude and dudettes? If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can stay up on the latest content. You know what it is. One shot, dead shot. Dude Mungus.
No monkey.
Piper, we got that guy, the M1K guy. Heck yeah. Got Hitman out here. Look at this. Whew. It don't make no sense. Listen, it snarls. Let's do it snarl. Don't make no sense. Got Dale and Wifey. God almighty, I need one. Dale and Wifey got my man Tim, got Cat. Me and him got history all the way. M1K, you try to take my deal. What you doing, man? You know what you doing? Yes, sir. Appreciate you coming out, bro. Yes, sir, man. Appreciate you coming out, bro. Thank you so much, man. Heck yeah. Hopefully the weather holds out. Dude, if this weather ever holds out, it's going to be crazy, bro. Crazy. Hey, you already know, man. You already know. Got the leader bike killer right here. We actually got a challenge. Him and LaPearl are gonna go at it. I'm actually excited. This might be the race I'm most hyped for. Yo, that is dope.
Oh, here he comes.
I can't wait to see that footage. Here we go. He coming over here. Cute, my boy. I want to see this one. Welcome to Atlanta, baby.
You already got it.
Welcome to Atlanta, baby. Yeah, we go introduce him. This Aprilia is absolutely amazing in person. I've seen it online a few times, but today's my first time seeing it in person, and it looks good. Lord, ready to go. Got another 750. Got the cow wow with the camo pants. You got to coordinate, bro. Whatever you got to do, you got to coordinate. And this thing, I mean, what can you say about this? Look at this beauty. Just. Then you got the Busa. King of the mountain, the Busa. Of course, we had to get gas for the Ducatis because they was out of gas. My man over here, Kudus at the racetrack. Ain't rode the bike since the racetrack. You sound like me. It's my first time on the bike since the racetrack too, man. Yo.
So we're probably gonna ride to do some pizza, and then we'll meet y'all at
Okay, maybe. Cool. That'll work.
They're gonna have a dyno running.
Yeah, I want them to see it too. It's something crazy. His battery. Do we need to push him?
I don't know. It sounded like it.
I heard it. Them ducks take so much to get started too. Need to push? Yeah. Is that? There we go. Yeah. All right. We'll push. What's a good place to push from? We don't want to break none of the fairings or nothing like that.
You can just push like right in here.
Right.
Like right here on the.
Oh, that's that part right there. Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
Got it. In there, baby. Teamwork, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. It's so dope to look back and see all the support. That's super dope, bro. Only reason we ain't zoopity doo dah, I'm trying to make sure I keep everybody together. He's that car down there, Lauren. Lap 4. You can't get in this argument. That's one thing I do miss about my Doug, man. It does not have that sound. Little kids over there admiring the bike. They got the kid. Oh, not me. No, not me. It's not me. Girl, the more you get a conscience, like, nah, I probably shouldn't be doing that.
I would say I was right in peak when I raced like King Kong down here. Actually.
Woo! I remember that.
Since then, I remember.
All right, we're about to get the bat weighed on the official scale list of scale lists. If you want to get your bike weighed, you have to get on EJR Performance scales if it's going to mean anything. So we're draining the fuel out the bat and we go see what it does. Last time it was 3/4-ish of a tank, which really doesn't count. And it was like 404 pounds. My goal is I want it to be as light as my Ducati was, but I don't think it's that light, but we'll see. It was 397 on Eve scale. With the full tank. With the full tank.
Probably like 373, 370.
You know what? I'll be okay with that. You see the voice go high? That means I'll be okay with that. Get the bat weighed. And we are next to BBN 2.0, baby. Is that what it's 2.0? What do you call it?
This is technically
3.0.
was 2.0. Because it was a KRT, a 2016 KRT.
Ah, yes. 3.0. Look at every bit of this gonna do. So you don't know. You just don't know. You gotta know.
There is one. There is one. If you look at the frame where the VIN number would be.
Yeah.
There is one.
That's dope. That's super dope. It's the details, baby.
With no markings on it, I'm gonna do something.
I'm gonna do something. What you guessing, man? What you guessing?
394.
I still got all my rotors. They got rotors that, you know, these tire stickers add weight too. They add weight.
400 even.
4 even. Okay. What you got? What you thinking?
396.
396. I like it, man. What's up on it? Let's get in there, man. You got a guesstimation?
395.
395. Huh?
How much is your battery weigh? That's one that like the
I have your battery.
basic thing that
I have your battery. Okay. Yeah.
it's like people will leave an extra 7 pounds in their battery
Yeah.
and not even fucking know.
Yep. What you think? On the spot.
397.
397. All right. We gonna do it. JP, what you think? What you think it's gonna make? What you think the weight gonna be?
402.
402. All right. What's up? Oh, somebody. Hey, how you doing? I'm sorry. I promise I'm gonna make my way out there. How you doing?
You coming out next weekend?
Supposedly. Yeah, I'm gonna be out there. You know what I'm saying? Put this down. Yeah, mentally, what you think?
You're
Ready? What I need to do? JP, you hold this for me. What I need to do? I don't know.
So put it anywhere on the scale. It doesn't matter if it's off the center or anything like that. Just make sure when you roll the bike, the tires aren't hitting the ramps because remember Corey with the Honda?
Yeah.
He thought his bike was like 20 pounds lighter until I went because the weight was not sitting on the ramp.
Gotcha.
Ain't strong enough. Not a good sign.
It's not good. One more time, man. All right. How's that? All right.
Oh. Oh, let's get that. Let's get that, baby. Let's get that, baby. Let's get that, baby. Let's get that, baby. Come on, let's go. Don't you do that.
Wait. No, wait. No, wait. Well, hold on. Wait, I just realized.
The fan.
You fucked that up, yeah. You put it right in front of the fan. This thing is super sensitive, so.
Yeah.
Temporarily, I would. What?
Of course,
this will settle on a 1/10 of a pound if you swing it a half pound. I mean, you really don't need an N360.
Get off of there, man. Get off of there. What else did I take off?
I wonder what this thing would weigh without all of the, you know, the camera equipment and like the movie theater stuff. Win, but it's 389.49. Like right now, that's. Because you can get probably another 30 pounds out of it by molesting it, and it still can stop it.
Anybody think they can beat that?
No, not at all.
Anybody think they can beat that?
Well, hold on though.
The lightest yellow jitsu. Don't you need lighter full bike? No, full bike. This full bike is the lightest yellow. Yep, sure. Stock wheelbase. Yeah, man, you got our whole class for everything, bro. Yeah. What tire sticker? Come on.
I'm gonna buy a jitsu with yellow bearings on it. I'm gonna make it 1 pound lighter and follow you.
89.9. Yeah. Everyone's seen it. 89.9. Everybody here seen it.
A lot better than 299.
I got some amazing. Yeah, no, I know you were pulling, but you know that. 89.9. I think it's the lightest full weight. 89.9. Full weight. Everybody else has full weight. Yeah, man. You got it, bro. 89.9, baby. That's really pretty impressive.
Yes. As long as the bike is ready to be tuned, that's all one day. But I mean, if you want to drive it you can either run the light rate, you can either ride it yourself, or what I do is this is it.
You can't miss, bro. You just not ready. Yep.
I'm going to make sure I have one booster where you turn up the bar. I'm going to make sure the regularity so, other than that, it's the same thing.
Namaki. Belum sekolah. Namaki. 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 Thank you for watching, dude. Namaki.
Oh, we got the troops out. Heading down to Mexico, baby. This is the, I don't know if you B squad, whatever. We're the first half went out, so we're the second half that's going out to the spot. Alright, B already lit. I already know what type of party it's gonna be. Got my man Asa back out. Oh, yo, this is about to be dope, hey. We about to show what Caleb A can do, baby. Yes, sir. Got Dino out too. Yo, this is about to be dope, bro.
Thank you for watching, dude. Namaki. Belum sekolah. Belum sekolah. Namaki.